Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to fix Discord not opening using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to click on the window or start icon at the lower part of your screen and search for Task Manager. Okay, so there you have it. So now you need to make sure that Discord is not on the apps list. And here at the background processes, just go ahead and scroll down and find if you can find the Discord. So now just go ahead and click on Discord and click on End Tasks. So now just go ahead and do that. And as you can see, the Discord is now removed in this tab. Okay. So now just go ahead and exit on this. And then again, just go ahead and search for add or remove programs. Click on that. And then now you just want to find Discord again and uninstall it. Okay, click on uninstall. Click on uninstall again. So now we just need to wait. Let me try that again. So now just go ahead. As you can see, the Discord is now uninstalled. So just go ahead and exit on this tab again and press the window button and R on your keyboard. Okay, so do that and this tab will pop up. So just go ahead and search for percent appdata percent. Click on OK. Then now you want to delete on Discord again. So once you've deleted Discord, just go ahead and exit on this again and press Windows button plus R again. And here you want to type percent local appdata percent. Okay, so just go ahead and click on OK again and find the Discord. And lastly, just go ahead and delete Discord. And then now, what I need you to do is to just go ahead and install the Discord application again on your device. So to do that, just go ahead and open your browser and search for Discord and click on the download link or hyperlink and now click on download. Okay, and that should help you with your problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.